What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video, well, I think you guys are gonna like it because we're going to pretty much start this video. As you guys know, you saw the thumbnail. Yes, Raymer is getting new tunes. We found, and a lot of you guys that DM me, I explained to you what's going on. Now, we found a lot of, well, no, I shouldn't say we, a specific person that I spoke to, and I will let you know who he is once this is all done and figured out, probably at the end of this vlog. He pretty much saved my ass and figured out the problem because I knew there was a problem. The tunes, and it just, this truck, when I tuned it, I thought it was all there until I drove a stock one back to back where I literally got in this, then got into another one. I'm like, okay, something's wrong with this. Explained to this person the situation. He said, yes, I understand what you're talking about. Had another customer explaining to me the same thing. What he did was incredible, and how he figured this out was incredible. Now, as of right now, we are going to plug in, he already sent me new tunes. We're going to plug the AutoCal into this computer. All my tuning I do is on this one. You know, personal stuff, YouTube stuff is on that one. Tuning, guys, I highly recommend you use a Windows computer, not a Mac. So, we're going to install his tunes, and like I said, I'm going to let you know who the person is. I can't give you too much information, but what he found out was something really, really big. And what he found out was pretty much you guys that are tuning these trucks are not getting the power that you think you're getting. So he's going to be selling tunes. He's going to also be selling AutoCals. He's going to sell everything. So as of right now, I'm just waiting for him to log into my computer, and then we're going to get this thing downloaded, and then I'm going to give you guys, hopefully he has time, we can get all this done by the end of this vlog, and I'm going to give you guys all the info, his name, give you his email, where you can contact him, because I got to get this done ASAP, because we're heading back out to the desert again. We got the big ding ding over there getting ready, getting all watered up, filling her up, getting all the firewood ready, so well, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we have got the tunes. It's plugged into the computer. They are currently going to do its whole thing right here. Also guys, mind yourself, I will be, and I will show you the text message, the first in the world to have these tunes, which hopefully work good, work the best, but have the proper tunes. I'm going to show you the text right now, 1 sec. Here you go guys, read that. Okay, tune is ready to go. You will be the first one in the world to try it out. Now, we don't know if that's a good thing, we don't know if that's a bad thing. But according to this computer here, in about 10 seconds, we're going to plug this into the truck, and we're going to find out. Alright, here we go guys. So, if this thing, if its checking is complete, we'll wait here, see what happens. Oh, so you can see all these forward collision alert. See how your truck goes psycho, goes crazy. We're going to unlock the key, so hit OK. Alright, erasing, and don't worry, your truck will go wacko when you guys are tuning it. That's perfectly normal. So right now what it's doing though, it's getting rid of the old tune from the old company. And again guys, I have tried for this, specifically this 19 high output Cummins, I have tried every single tuning company out there that offers it, and I'm pretty dang confident, because of how this guy explained this to me, that this person's tunes are going to kick everybody else's butt. So now if this thing goes past 3, we're good. Alright guys, we're looking good. We're at 18, so well, this will probably take 10 minutes. So let this sit here, do its thing. Oh, truck's making noise guys. Usually when it starts wigging out, that means it's done. Ignition off now. Yes sir. Okay, then hit OK, then it should count down. There you go. Sometimes 15 seconds, 10 seconds, it varies, guys. Doesn't matter. Then if it says good, we're good to start. Bam. Alright, let's start her up. Okay guys, I can already tell that this thing is probably most likely fixed, and I'm gonna explain to you and show you real quick why. So look at this, I'm just cruising, I'm already at 3 pounds of boost. One thing that I noticed with all these other tunes that I have been downloading is the boost is not building. Like, I lost my turbo. There's no more turbo. It's like gone. I'm like, well, what the hell? Also, what I noticed on this thing is you can hear the turbo when you're just releasing, you know, the throttle. So I noticed the vane position at idle went from 70 to 85, and wow, this thing, oh yeah, I think it's fixed. So without the exhaust brake, you can hear this turbo. I don't know if you guys can hear that with the windows down, but so you hear the turbo right now, but there's no exhaust brake on, nothing. I don't know if you guys can catch that or not, but so we're gonna go drive this thing now for a while. We're not break it in, but drive it before, because we're gonna leave to the desert. So before I do go to the desert, I want to drive this thing and make sure everything is good. But I think just from me building boost, I mean, look, I'm at 1 PSI and I just let off the throttle. I think this thing is finally fixed. Oh guys, you have no idea how excited I am. I'm getting goosebumps just because I am so happy that this thing is, I mean, look, I got boost. My boost is back. Oh, I missed you, boost. I missed you, boost, so much. Oh my goodness. Wow, guys. Well, this guy is a genius that figured this out, and I'm gonna text him right now, and if he gives me the okay, I'm going to let you know where I got it from. Guys, it is official. So you saw, I showed you, I had goosebumps on my arm. This thing is incredible. And you want to know who the person is? He's actually on the phone. Here you go. Here's his name. I'm sure you guys have heard of this guy. Say what's up, Matt.
What's up, guys? It's Matt from Optimal Welding here.
So,
you guys want to get your high output truck running right, you just go check out my website there. I'll hook you guys up.
Dude, guys, so as you guys know, and a lot of you guys told me, again, go follow his YouTube channel. He has a YouTube channel, Optimal Welding, and I'll put his link down in the description. But you guys have seen me flash this truck. You've seen me flash this multiple times, and I've been talking with Matt about this whole situation, pretty much letting him know, hey, at the end of the day, these tunes suck. Now, as of right now, guys, nobody has these tunes but Matt, and I can guarantee you that because the conversation that me and Matt had and he showed me, it's incredible. So honestly, and you can call Matt or email him if you don't believe me, but if you guys have a high output or any Cummins, call Matt. I guarantee you it's going to be 10 times better than any of the other tunes. So you guys have my Instagram. It's at Eddie's Life. You can DM me. I'll have Matt's info down at the bottom. Also, go to his website. Matt, what's your website? OptimalWelding.com?
Yeah, man, OptimalWelding.com, or send me an email, optimalwelding@gmail.com.
There you go. And he will take care of your high outputs, because I mean, I'll give you guys a little hint. I'm not here to put any companies on blast, but the last tuning company, I tried 3 tunes, and you know, the one was in Canada, and 2 of them were in the US, and they're horrible. And you guys have seen previously in my videos of me flashing my RAM multiple times, and they're horrible. So if you guys have any Cummins, Matt, you're only doing Cummins right now, right?
Yeah, specialize in Cummins. I want to get them all 100% figured out. Like, I want to be the master of the Cummins before I move on to the Duramax and Fords. Okay, so if you guys, for the Cummins guys out there, go call Matt or email him, whatever. It's crazy. I guarantee you guys, his tune will demolish any tune. And I'm willing to put money on it that his tune will demolish any tune you have out there on the market. Well, guys, there you have it. I mean, I don't know how, actually I do. I know how Optimal Welding did it. I know, you know, what he had to do. You guys don't need to worry about that. All you need to know is I guarantee you, and again, like I said, I'll put money on it. You can go buy other tunes. Go get other tunes. But there's something that he has that the other companies don't have. And here's the only reason why I'm saying this. And I'm not saying it to you know, help him. I'm saying it to be honest with you guys, that as of right now, Optimal Welding has the proper and perfect tunes for the Cummins. And like I said, the reason why I know is because I tried all the other 3 tuning companies out there. He's number 4, and they were all the same. Remember when I told you guys I had LBF file, then I had an LBF upper,
Then I had their regular tunes. Then another company sent me their other style tunes. And the problem that I was having was, it felt like the truck wasn't building boost. It felt like the low end power was just gone. And with the LBF, I thought it was back, because you feel it, but then you start going and then it's like it's gone. And then when I hooked up the trailer, I thought it towed good. But then when I went up the grades, I was not too impressed with the truck, let's say that. So now with these tunes, holy crap, guys, I'm telling you, I will guarantee you, nobody has tuning out there like Optimal Welding. But there you have it, guys. You guys finally know now who I deal with. As you guys knew in the past, all the DMs, I wouldn't answer you, I wouldn't tell you. Only reason is because I didn't like the tunes. I was not happy with the tunes. And I'm not gonna tell you guys, oh yeah, I got this company, go with them, they're great. They're not. I mean, I don't want to, you know, when I put my name out there and tell you guys I got it from this, it's gonna make me look bad, it's gonna make the company look bad. Now I can care less about the company if they look bad. But I finally found the right tunes, guys. So now you know his name, now you know his info. He fixed it, he perfected it, and it's amazing. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.